tips, tricks, hacks, skills, and drills video on how to negotiate the shift between F and G. So you know these chords if you've been following the New to Uke program. You know your F chord and you know your G chord. But there's several things that make this transition tricky. One is that your middle finger has got to switch from your G string all the way over to your A string. So it's got a big leap. It's just be thankful you're not playing guitar, huh? The other thing that makes this tricky is that your pointer finger is going to have to travel from your E string to your C string and go from the first fret to the second fret. And additionally, in order to accommodate the G chord and getting everything in place, there's a slight shift. So F can be tackled pretty much in a perpendicular to the neck, but then to get to the G chord, there's that subtle shift that we talked about, moving up towards your headstock. There is a companion video to this. Our first song in the New to Uke series that has an F to G shift is Bye Bye Love. And so I have a link down below to that. In true New to Uke fashion, let's just do some skills and drills. Let's do 2 Fs, 2 rests, 2 Gs, and repeat. I hope your uke's ready to play. Let's do it together. 1, 2, and here we go. It's F, 2, shift, and G, 2, shift, and F, 2, shift, and G, 2, shift, and F, 2, shift, and G, 2, shift. Feel free to rewind, that's what it's here for. Keeping the same tempo, let's reduce that rest to just 1 beat. 1, 2, and here we go. F, 2, shift, G, 2, shift, 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 F, 2, shift, G, 2, shift. Our last skills drill, no rest. Same tempo, nice and relaxed. Here we go. F, 2, G, 2, 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 Don't go away. I've got more tips and tricks for you. So unless you're an extraordinary learner, you're going to need to spread your learning out over time. Just because you did some skills and drills exercises with me today doesn't mean that you're going to pick up the next day and be at the level that you just ended. Doesn't usually happen. So again, being kind with yourself. The next tip that I have is recognize that this is going to take a period of days in order for your muscle memory to get really cemented in. So one of my favorite tips to share is couch. Yep, doing some gentle couch work with your ukulele. I have such vivid memories of my journey learning how to switch from F to G, because I quickly recognized that, oh yeah, there's a lot going on here. And I had a bunch of house guests over. And so I was literally picking up my ukulele as we'd sit around and converse, and I'd just be going F, G, F, G, and I'd be doing that and following the conversation and seeing what's going on. And I continued to do that after the guests were gone, and I would just turn on the TV. There's a little bit of distraction, which helps your muscle memory, believe it or not. Because then you can't rely on that brain. You have to rely more on your muscles. And I would just sit down and intermittently, because my fingers would get too sore if I did it for a complete 40 minutes watching TV, I would practice that F to G, and I might get up and do a little stuff, come back. Of course, these weren't TV shows that I was like totally following every word on. So watch a little TV, work on your F and G. Here's my last little hack for getting you to switch fluently between F and G. In fact, it's so wonderful. It's for all kinds of issues and challenges that you may have on the ukulele, and that is using either a metronome or a drum beat app, and that is a whole nother video, so I've got a link below. I hope that you found this instructional video useful to your growth as a ukulele player. Please hit like and subscribe, and even better, leave a comment for me. I am told that there's algorithms and search engine things and all this kind of stuff on YouTube that will make it easier for other aspiring ukulele players to find this video. Thanks so much, and I hope you're having a great time playing your ukulele.